Close the gates! Hurry!
The walls are high, but the confidence of their emperor is vertically challenged. I mean, who names himself Rangila? That's not a king, it's a flavor of ice cream.
Should I knock?
No, too polite. Maybe I'll just cough politely and 30,000 troops will follow.
Honestly, I only came for the treasure.
The astrologers inside must be having a meltdown. Stars out of alignment, goats refusing to be sacrificed, and one eunuch probably...
Is that thunder? No, just Nadir Shah at the gates. Again.
Everyone keeps saying, do something. I am doing something. I'm elegantly ignoring the crisis. It's called Grace Under Siege. Look it up. I did send a letter to Nadir Shah. Very diplomatic, full of poetry, rhymed zulm with gulm. Took me an hour. What do they expect me to do?
March? I haven't marched since the last Basant festival. And even then, I needed 10 sherbet breaks and a beauty nap halfway.
My generals are worried, my ministers are sweating, and I just want someone to refill my ether bottle and bring the royal cat indoors. Let him come. Let him see Delhi. Let him trip over our bureaucracy and get tangled in our silk curtains. He'll wish he never left Persia.